Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and look at how much dust that just picked up from just vacuuming my fan. This is pretty neat. So this is a small stick vacuum. It's also cordless too. It's powered, and it basically doesn't have a trigger on the front of it. It just has a power button and a thing. So that's really convenient about this thing. I don't have to actually hold down a trigger to turn on full power, unlike my Shark. So I gave my Shark to my parents because they needed a stick vacuum, so I decided to give this to them. Now I'm gonna probably do a quick comparison between it. As you can see, the Shark actually have a little tie rod there, so I could keep it at full power, but this one doesn't. It just has a on and off switch and different levels, and it's also very easy to clean too. You basically pop off the canopy and then just drain it. It also comes with a vertical stand, which is nice. But actually, it actually stands on its own. It can't be. It has to be leaned against the wall or something. It doesn't really hold the weight. As you can see in the manual, it actually says that too. It's not for hanging. It's actually for leaning. But it's still better than the Shark one because the Shark one didn't have that option. Basically, you just put it, compactly on the floor. So very interesting in terms of its usefulness. The only thing I saw that was bad about this was that the filters are pretty proprietary. I couldn't find the other filters. Here are the stats if you want to take a look at the stats, but it is pretty strong and good suction. It takes about 5 hours to charge the thing for a 10-minute, 45-minute, and 25-minute use time. Depends on how fast you want to use it or how much strength you want to use it. I usually use it in the mid mode, which is around 25 minutes, but I've also used it in the high mode, which is really good if you want to suck up a lot of stuff. So it's comparable to like the Shark one, except the Shark one has a little bit longer drive. The Shark one has a bigger dirt capacity than this one. This one actually has a pretty small cavity or capacity for the waste, but it still has all the functions of, like, let's say these the crevice tool and the other ones, and this nice little holder that holds everything together. And I just basically mount that to the wall. But it clicks in place, and it also comes with like a crevice tool and also a brush tool and an extender tool, which is really nice. The battery actually comes off, and you actually don't need to. You can just charge it on its stand if you want to, because it's just a little cord that plugs in. The stand actually just holds it in place. It's not meant to be actually holding this thing. As you see, it just a little bit of pressure holds it. So you're supposed to just holds it to the wall. It doesn't really hold it. Doesn't really hang it up. Now this is how I have it. I just basically mount it to my side of the bookcase and just letting it charge like that. As you can see, it has like 4 bars to do full charging. Overall, I love it. I gave my Shark to my parents, so I'm using this one for myself, for my rooms and my car and everything else like that. It's pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW, and I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.